Here are 3 tips to justify the cost-benefit ratio for providing training. Reputation is everything. Providing training and development creates a culture where employees feel valued. When employees know their employers are investing in them, they're less likely to leave negative reviews on websites like Glassdoor or Indeed. A payoff in performance. A recent study shows that companies will see an 8.6% increase in productivity for every 10% increase in training and development. The cost of training will pay for itself over time. And lots of different approaches. Recognize that your employees have unique and different learning styles. Use a combination of online learning, in-person workshops, webinars, and mobile games to reinforce learning and knowledge retention. Investing in training to retain your employees is more cost-effective than hiring new ones. The greatest benefit is you'll have a more skilled workforce who feels valued by you, and they're more likely to stay.